Here's another how-to video if you're broke or lazy and don't know what to do. Go to YouTube and type in rain sounds, and as you can see, these videos are getting thousands, even millions of views. This one right here got 4.4 million views. All these videos are making a ton of money, so you're wondering how you can do all this. Let me show you how. Head over to pixabay.com and type in the word rain. Search for a picture that looks good, and we can use this picture with a rain sound. This one looks great. Then head over to zapsplat.com, and yep, you're right, we're going to type in the word rain again. Now you have a choice of over 386 results for rain sounds that you can pick for your video. Now you're going to have to take your video and your sound and then join them together. Just gel them together in an app like CapCut. Then you're going to have to head back over to YouTube and then upload your video. Now if you want to know my favourite side hustle, by just making 7-second videos where you can make 5 to 10k plus a month, just comment the number 7 down below and I'll send you a free training video showing you how it's done.